Now for these questions, we're multiplying multiples of 100, so numbers with 2 zeros on the end, by multiples of 10, so numbers with 1 zero on the end. And when we do this, we don't need to use column method. Instead, we can use mental methods to find our answer. So for 800 times 60, we know that 8 times 6 is 48, and that means 800 times 60 is 48,000. That's because we multiply 8 by 6 to get 48, but then because we have a total of 3 end zeros in the question, 2 here and 1 here, we need a total of 3 end zeros in the answer. So 800 times 60 is 48,000. Now we have 500 times 20. We know that 5 times 2 is 10, and that means 500 times 20 is 10,000. So 5 times 2 is 10, so we write 10, but then we count up our zeros, and we have 3 zeros in the question, so we need 3 end zeros in the answer. Now it looks like we have 4 end zeros here, but remember, this 0 we got by multiplying 5 by 2, so we need 3 more end zeros after that to give us our answer, 10,000. Now, for 800 times 80, we just work out that 8 times 8 is 64, and then we know that 800 times 80 is 64,000, because after doing 8 times 8, we count up our zeros and put them in our answer. So 800 times 80 is 64,000.